Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX 10 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming.
Before starting the manual troubleshooting for DirectX 10, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the DirectX 10 Update 20, a legacy DirectX 10 helper library. It provides unmanaged routines for texture management and 3D math, acting as the visual data link for games requiring the April 2006 runtime manifest.
Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation.
DirectX 1020 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support.
Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization.
A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including DirectX 10, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online.
With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because the initial fix didn't work, we must manually deploy the legacy DirectX components to your PC, and you should run the official DirectX End-User Runtime, June 2010 setup. This process will scan your system for missing multimedia files and ensure that your DLL file is correctly installed alongside your other graphics libraries. Why are we doing this? Well, a manual runtime restoration is the only way to bypass driver-level blocks and ensure that every legacy dependency is present and functional. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries.
Remember that DirectX 10 DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors.
As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track.
If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining DirectX 10. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter DirectX 10 critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.